Kampewayono. You know, when we were younger, if someone insults you, someone that you know that you can beat up, you tell the person, if I catch you there, my Udara just arrived from Nigeria. Look at that. Woo! It looks like it's going to be sweet. Oh my God. Obviously, it's not one no. I can tell. I can tell. I am sure that they plucked this Udala. Look at the stalk. When you pluck Odala, it has this stalk. Normally, Udala should fall off on its own. And if it falls on its own, it shouldn't fall with the stalk. It should fall like this. Like this. But look at this one. It has the one massive. This is massive stalk. The white things on it is the gum. The gum of the Udara. Make sure you watch till the end for some Udara facts from Nedi. Before you eat it, you need to wash them thoroughly, removing these white marks on them. Not only that, these Udala fall down from the tree, they can fall into anything, any dirt, and then they are picked, transported, displayed in the open market, so any and everything, dust, dirt, whatever can be on it. So you need to wash it really well with water several times actually. These white marks on them are the gum from the Udara. Udara has a kind of gummy sap that comes out of it. Because there's a lot of gum on these ones, I'm guessing that they were plucked. Yeah, these Udara were plucked because there's a lot of trauma. They went through a lot of trauma. That's why they released all this sap. You see? Deliciousness. This is how to eat Odala or Udara. Depending on which part of Igbo land you're from, depending on your dialect, you can call it Udara, Odara, or Odala. If you're from Yoruba land, you call it Agbalumo. What is it called in Hausa? I don't know. And other Nigerian languages. Let me know what this is called in your place. This absolute deliciousness. What is it called in your place? This is a very valuable fruit in Igbo land. Oh my God, so respected, this fruit. It has lots of health benefits. It has anti-oxidant properties, fights against. I will list everything it does here and in the description because there are so many health benefits. It's in season now. Usually it's in season from December, yeah, because around Christmas time, December till, depending on the tree, some trees can have some fruit up till Easter, yeah. Easter period, especially when Easter falls in March. You know, sometimes you have Easter in March, end of March. Yeah, you can still buy Udara in the market in March. Yeah, it's up here, but that's late Udara, very late. In my place, an Udara tree is so respected. Yeah. You don't, this fruit, you're not supposed to pluck it. It's supposed to mature, ripen, and fall down on its own so that it will be sweet. In my place, it's a taboo to pluck Odala in my place. Yeah, we don't do that. So sometimes people wake up as early as 4:30 a.m. to go and pick Odala from the tree. Yeah, and during the day, children do we die here under Udara tree while they're waiting for it to fall. They will be playing. There's this game you play with it has 12 holes, 6 on either side with seeds. What is it called? I'll look it up and put it on the screen. Yeah, they'll dig holes in the sand and use the seeds of this Udara to play that while they're waiting. And they'll be playing other games as well under the tree while they wait for Udara to fall. When one falls, come and see race to go and pick it. Yeah, there are different species. Is that species that I should call it? I don't know, but there are some very bitter ones, and then there are very sweet ones called Odala Wannu. Odala Wannu. Nu is salt, which means salt is equated to deliciousness. Yeah. So Odala Wannu, that this Odala it's an endearment. The one there is an endearment, kind of like you're trying to say that it's a cutely delicious fruit. And then when you pluck it, it's not sweet. So if an Odala tree is known as one, everybody knows that all the fruits that this tree produces is very sweet. That's the one where everyone goes to camp. But if a tree is known to produce bitter Odala, nobody wants to go and waste their time waiting for the Odala from that tree to fall. It's called African star apple in English. Let me cut it open for you so that you see why it's called African star apple. You see nature's arrangement of the seeds? Perfect star. In some fruits, the star is more defined than in others. You see that white sap? That's the gum of the Udara, the one that leaked to stain the skin of the Udala. Everybody come and lick Udala with me. Everybody. Except sexy damsel. Sexy damsel. Imalebi wolaru. Jechile your towel. Your towel is not here. Your share is not here. You went to Nigeria during Christmas and you ate all the one numen. I ate Udala one numen. And you came here and be rubbing it in. If I catch you there, you see my consignment, my container load of my container load of Odala has landed. Come and see. Come and leak. Come and leak. Then Edna and Clive. You see? A container load. My container load don't land. Mel. Rico, if you know we had a conversation about Odala, if you're part of the people that other people are taunting on social media with Odala, please come. You don't land. Come and take your share. Oh my God. The seed, irrespective of the tree, even if it's a tree that produces very bitter Odala, the seed is always, I find the seed that is always delicious. The seed is never bitter. Like this flesh, see this, can I call it cream flesh on the seed? When you eat it, It's never bitter. It's this flesh in here that is bitter. If it's not the one, if it's not the sweet Udala, flesh will be very, very bitter and not bitter, tangy, more like tangy than bitter. Yeah? And will be slapping you. And you know, no, this one is not it. And then when you chew this flesh for long enough, chew it, you suck out the juice, chew, suck, chew. After some time, it forms chewing gum. Especially when you combine it with this. This is part of the, you know, the stalk where it attaches itself to the tree. It attaches itself to the tree with this. And then you have this part of it. This part of it is chewing gum. And you chew it like that. And chew it for long enough, it will form chewing gum. So this is what they used as chewing gum in those days before the manufactured one came out. You see how I'm chewing it and sucking it? You chew and suck on it. If you keep doing that, after some time the gum will form and then you can continue chewing it like chewing gum. This is a great appetizer. Or is it dessert? I know that once you eat this, after some time you feel so hungry. So yeah, so it should be an appetizer, yeah. Once you eat Udala, it helps with digestion. So I believe it's great for the tummy. Yeah. It reduces bloating, yeah. If you want to eat Udala in Nigeria, you go to Nigeria at Christmas. Yeah. It's sold in the market, in Lagos, East. I don't know about the north. Do you have Udara in the north, in northern Nigeria? Do you have it? But the ones they sell in Lagos is really difficult to find the one that they did not pluck. Once you see the one that is plucked, it will still be green around here, or in some parts of it, yeah. It will still be green, looking very pale. But you can see that this one is orange. It has an orange color. The sweet ones usually have a kind of red tint around here. Red tint, like this one. See? If it's brown, it means that it's going bad. Like this one is brown. See this brown color? It means that it's going bad. But if it's red, it has some red tints, it means that it's going to be sweet. And then it's more of oval rather than round like an apple. If you see an Udara that is shaped more like an apple, like very fat, it's not going to be sweet. Yeah. So this is how to select Udara when buying in the market. It needs to be slim here. In fact, some of them are wrinkled down here. Yeah. Fully matured, it's from a sweet tree. Yeah, that's how I know. And then it has some red tint on it rather than just orange all over or yellow. Some of them are so yellow. Once you see those yellow ones, no, don't buy it. It has to be deep kind of orange and then with some red. It's a very delicious fruit created by nature. Oh, nature's gift to Nigeria. It's abundant in Nigeria. It's very, very seasonal, the most seasonal fruit ever. Any year we have Harmattan, you have more sweet Udara. Yeah, because Harmattan is a good weather for it. It dries it up and primes it. Yeah, it makes it mature in a different way, and you get more sweet udaras that season than when there was no Harmattan. Yeah, Harmattan is a very dry weather in Nigeria, where everything is dry. Like you put cream on your skin right now, the next minute, your skin is as dry as what, leather. Actually, lotions don't work during Harmattan. You have to apply petroleum jelly. Anyway, let me stop doing you people long throat. Don't eat the seed itself. Eat the flesh around the seed.
And then I remove the seed.
And when we can't eat the seed because it's poison.
No,
It's strong. You can't eat it.
it's strong. You can't eat it. If you eat it, it will grow and come out from your head.
That will not happen.
Why not?
No, because you have to have mud, sun, air,
Wow.
water, and will go from your ears and this.
Oh, you have to have mud and what else?
Sun,
And
air, water.
in your stomach before it can grow.
And they have to
Give me
do,
5.
And they have to do la photosynthesis.
Oh my God. Well done, Nady girl.
There's water in your stomach.
There's water, but other conditions are not met, so she's right.
We don't eat mud.
Oh my God, give me 5. Oh, you listen in your naturales class.
Only we do it at school.
Yeah, give me 5, another 5.
And
At
we
least,
have to have
at
a
least you
seed.
people did not believe it. When we were younger, if we were told that if you swallow a seed, a tree will grow, I would start crying because we believed it.
Me too.
But don't worry, mommy. Mommy, don't worry that me eat thousands of seeds and they didn't even grow in my stomach.
Oh my God, how many thousands of seeds?